Delicious pork ribs recipe. Let's make it. 3.5 pounds of baby back ribs. Remove the silver skin. Set aside. Bring water to a boil. Add the pork ribs. Parboil for 5 minutes. Remove the ribs from the pot. Set aside. Cooking oil. Sauté ginger and lemongrass for 15 seconds. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Sauté star anise and cinnamon stick for 10 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2½ cups of hot water. Add more later if needed. Add the pork ribs. Simmer over low heat until pork ribs becomes tender. Stir occasionally. Remove the ribs from the pan. Remove the aromatics. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cornstarch slurry. Stir until sauce thickens. Add the pork ribs and mix well. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.